କେତେବେଳେ ବାପା ମା, କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ୱାମୀ, ତ କେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରେମିକା. This is all very
Wow. Wonderful, wonderful, fantastic. जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु का हाथ, माँ का आशीर्वाद और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स और चाहने वालों का दुआ है मेरे साथ. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अरविंद दास और आज आपका दिन बनने वाला है बहुत खास. हेलो, वेलकम टू द कॉर्पोरेट ब्रह्मास्त्र पॉडकास्ट सीरीज एंड टुडे वी हैव विथ अस समवन वेरी वेरी स्पेशल, वेरी टैलेंटेड, experienced, having a lot of exposure in the field of anchoring as well as acting. So you must be knowing her. She is none other than Ankita Mahanti. Ankita, what's up? How are you?
I'm really good. I'm doing great. How are you?
I am also on top of the world because you have come to our show. So thank you so much for coming to our show.
Thank you very much. And I'd like to thank Arvind for inviting me. At least he could think about me that I can be a speaker on your show. Thank you.
Yes, yes. I mean, the anchors and actresses are natural speakers. So you are indeed a very good speaker. And
Thank you.
And through today's podcast, we are going to learn a lot of things.
Bilkul.
So let me tell you that the audience who are watching us are majorly students, young professionals, freshers, aspirants for multiple jobs,
Yeah.
young entrepreneurs, etc.
Yeah.
So through these kind of podcasts, we make them aware about multiple career options.
Yeah.
So today, as you have explored into the segment of entrepreneurship, anchoring, as well as acting. So we'll be discussing majorly about acting and anchoring.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before we take your career advice regarding anchoring and acting, we would love to know about your journey in brief. Like
Lovely.
how what made you come to this acting, anchoring, and all those stuff?
That's a very adventurous question. Like,
Okay.
if I would like to brief and describe about my career, that would be a
Injustice.
not injustice. I love to describe it. Whoever asked about it, and I would say it was no one's journey is easy, like as mine.
No, injustice as in like if I ask you to say it in brief, it is injustice.
This is injustice, and I have to write a book about it. So this
And
is
maybe we'll do another podcast.
Bilkul, I love to come.
Yes.
It's a journey of 10 years. It's going to be 10 years. And in this tenure of
10 years.
10 years.
Okay, so just after your graduation.
Graduation. When I graduated, it was like in 2015 I came in Bhubaneswar. I was a very normal general girl who was aspirant for sure,
Okay.
who have many aspirations and who wanted to be someone in the top of the world.
Full
Who
of
wanted
dreams.
Full of dreams, and these dreams were never in my pocket. Like ये कभी मेरे basket में था ही नहीं.
Acha.
And
Oh, there were some other dreams in the starting.
To work in a corporate world, I just passed out my civil engineering.
Oh,
I
you were
was
an
a civil
engineer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
By choice or by chance?
by chance, I would say. By choice, again, हमारे टाइम में, उस टाइम में मम्मी पापा का चॉइस, हमारा चॉइस.
Same here. I am also an engineer by chance.
Likewise, you also know कि पापा जो बोलते हैं हमको वही करना पड़ता है.
True.
You don't have any other options
Yes,
to
yes.
pursue.
Yes.
So I did, and somehow I accepted that I have to go into this line. I came to Bhubaneswar and I started working. But some way and other, I felt I'm not made for this. And eventually and accidentally, I got to, pursue a chance. There was a chance to, host an event. And उससे पहले भी कुछ chances हमको मिले थे, just to know how this event industry works. So उसको बोलने में फिर बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा जाएगा. Then I'll just end up saying कि the first project I got, that was a very birthday event. A little girl, जिसका first birthday था, I got to host that. And that's the way I started my journey.
Okay.
Till now, I have completed 3,500 plus shows
Oh my
in
God.
this entire 10 years journey.
Great achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
And it's counting. So I host
Yes.
like general events like the public shows, live shows, reality shows, sports events. And then we say, back to back, जब शादियां आती है तो we do wedding events also. There are government events also. So इवेंट्स में बहुत सारे कैटेगरीज होते हैं, सो इन दैट एज अ फ्रीलांस एंकर आई choose everything to do. So it's
Everything.
not like
Okay.
nothing like this I would not do. These are
So
this
you're
only
open
you
to
do.
multiple segments.
But seeing what can be pursued in my profile. Again, I also hosted many promotional shows back then for many events, automobile companies. So that's how I have a very humble and a great start.
And
in the
what's your
beginning.
favorite segment? Like
I love to do promotional events.
Promotional events.
Yes, I love to do. अभी तो मैं कर नहीं पाती इतना ज्यादा, मतलब प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से उतना ज्यादा एक्सपोजर मिलता नहीं है, उतना ज्यादा पैसे भी नहीं मिलते. But yes, of course, when I host, no, I have a great fan following, and I get lot of people cheering. And when we do games, we play
Yes.
games with audience.
True.
They cheer like anything. So that moment I really I'm really missing. And there are some events specific to festivals. Those I do, but बहुत साल हो गए मैंने किया ही नहीं है.
So what it needs to be a competent anchor? I mean, what is your suggestion to the young masses?
I would say for a competent anchor, firstly you have to be not very educated, but at least your basic
Is there minimum is basic graduation?
Basic graduation should be done because एक basic education होता है ना, वो basic education होना चाहिए just to be not be manipulated, be little mature.
Yes.
To groom your personality, because education grooms us. Education not only gives us the knowledge, it also grooms our personality.
True.
तो जब तक आप एक 20-21 साल के नहीं हो जाते हो, अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल, अपने एनवायरमेंट को पहचानते नहीं हो, तब तक आप तो खुद को ढूंढ नहीं पाए हो, आपको क्या एंकरिंग करना है.
Exactly.
Right?
And confidence also eventually gets boosted up.
In that process, मैं भी कहीं ना कहीं अपने स्कूल में होस्ट की हूँ. I have also hosted some events, functions in my colleges as well. So कुछ ना कुछ तो experience मिलता है ना उस टाइम में. It's not like jumping into the any sector like that. Even job करने के लिए हमको थोड़ा तो पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है, right?
बिल्कुल.
So in that way, we can be an anchor in a very early stage also, but to be someone and to get to learn the basics about anchoring or public speaking, you have to be little basic जो knowledge है वो होना चाहिए.
And when you have that basic level of intellect, you will be in a better position to engage with your audience.
And also you can handle what is coming,
Yes.
Coming in future, right?
Very true.
What is coming forth.
Yes.
So the first thing, एक तो education. Second thing can be your communication skill.
So communication, are you referring to any particular language like English, Hindi, or like?
Nothing. There are different genres. Like now, there are anchors who are purely dedicated for government events where we have to speak in Odia. So there are a couple of anchors who speak in Hindi, who are strictly restricted to their regions. Like there are anchors, some are anchors like who are towards Calcutta or towards Jharkhand, वो हिंदी अच्छा बोलते हैं, तो उनको वो हिंदी स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस के लिए ज्यादा काम करते हैं. And we basically in my genre, whoever the anchor is, they mostly do all, मतलब 3 languages में काम करते हैं, mostly English, हिंदी and हमारा जो मदर लैंग्वेज है, मदर टंग है, वो है उड़िया. वो 3 में काम करते हैं. And it's not actually easy to work in 3 languages because उतना chances भी मिलना होता है, क्योंकि 3 को मिला के अगर एक को किया जाए वो बहुत chances कम हो जाते हैं. And there are competitors also. तो एक तो language का communication skill is the key for an anchor, because वो बहुत ज्यादा बोलने में आपको हेल्प करता है, because you should have something to say, right?
True.
And then the general knowledge, reading books is must. Reading newspaper is must. These are the
current affairs also is very important.
It is very important. And to be a sports anchor, you should have some knowledge about sports. Other than that, आपको तो काफी चीजें वहीं पे सीखने को मिल जाती है.
Have you done sports anchoring?
Yes, I have hosted. The first sport event was Khelo India University Games in 2019. Then later on, I jumped to hockey. I was appointed by Hockey
in
India.
Bhubaneswar?
Yes, I hosted FIH Hockey League, many of them, like 3-4 series. And Then also I hosted the qualifiers, FIH, qualifiers games also there in Ranchi. So I was there for the entire tenure.
So you
Like,
travel across the country.
I not only travel across country, I also travel outside the
Outside
country as
country.
well.
Okay,
yes.
great,
I
great.
host national and international shows.
Uh-huh.
Now again, seeing which brand is pitching. So I have hosted couple of shows for Ultratech as a corporate MC for them. I travel with the entire
Once again,
team.
you said MC.
MC.
What is the difference between MC and anchor?
Anchor
I always have this confusion.
or same.
Okay.
But MC का जो full form है, that's master of ceremony, or we say who is the all and who has taken over, who has the leadership to channelize the show.
Okay.
So that's the meaning of
So kind
MC,
of
master of
showstopper?
ceremony. Showstopper, yes, we can say that.
Acha.
And anchor, it is all same. Who can anchor the show? Who can be anchor in a boat or ship? We see, right?
Okay.
That balances the
So who facilitates the
everything.
event or show?
Yeah.
Right?
So that's what it means. Comparer means again someone who is seeing, someone who is taking the leadership or like that. सबका meaning एक ही है. At the end of the day, you have to speak well. And the rest of things, again, if you have a good personality, you are a very good coach again to groom the
Thank you.
personality.
Thank
We're
you so
doing
much.
since years. The personality is a must thing, because someone who is a well dressed, who can speak well, whose gestures, who behaves well, etiquette is that's a key. So these are the vital things to be an anchor.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So I'm sure people must have got very valuable insights. So thank you so much for your valuable insights.
Yeah.
Now coming to paisa. Okay, so what is the minimum remuneration which a freelancer anchor can expect as a beginner?
As a beginner, see, what I would say is to be an anchor, it firstly needs to learn. Like as an intern, like many people, they take a step inside the industry and they try to learn basic things. Like in a film, the AD does, right?
Okay.
जो आपका director का जो helping hand होते हैं,
Assistant
directors. So what they do, they come and they assist the director,
Yes.
so that in some way they can get the experience to direct a film. So likewise, what I would say, when I would take my inspiration,
You started off with what?
I
if you
hosted
don't
my first show in an amount of 500 rupees in my hand, and
that was which year?
that was which 2016.
16.
Yeah,
500
मुझे
rupees
500 मिला था.
for how many hours? 2 hours or 3 hours? 3 years.
500 मुझे मिला था. That was the initial beginning of my career, and after that 500 से third event में jump हो गया वो 2000 में.
2000.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it jumped to
4x growth.
4x growth हुआ था, because that was not I was about to get paid. वो मुझे चांस के लिए जस्ट टू गेट टू लर्न कि क्या होता है इसमें, कैसे होता है. मुझे ऐसे बोलना आता है, गेम्स खिलाना आता है, लेकिन जस्ट घुसते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. जस्ट यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्यूरियस इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग. क्यूरियस बट इन अ सेफर वे. अगेन टेक ऑल द नेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन, देन यू गो. इट्स नॉट लाइक मुझे काम करना है तो कहीं पे भी चली जानी है और मैं चली जाऊंगी, यहाँ पे चला जाना है तो कुछ भी कर लेंगे. यू शुड बी श्योर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
Yes.
तो मैं जब गई थी, वो उसमें मुझे 500 रुपए मिले थे, एंड देयर मेनी पीपल दे
You were always sure that you are going to rock in anchoring.
I'm going to do something, because I had no chance. मेरे को वैसे चांस नहीं था कि मैं एंकर बनने आई थी. I wanted to have a financial growth.
Okay.
एक financial option. When I actually left my job, I was unable to come down to my home. I had
You were into corporate job?
I was into corporate job.
Okay.
और मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को बोली नहीं थी कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ा हुआ है. तो मैंने बोला था कि या आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग इट, बट आई नीड सम अमाउंट. तो मैं घर से कुछ पैसे लाके मैं सस्टेन करी थी उस टाइम में. बट आई हैड टू लुक फॉर ऑप्शन 2, ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन ए तो गया, ऑप्शन बी को देखना था. तो मुझे था कि नहीं, आई हैव टू एनीवे डूइंग इट, कीप ऑन डूइंग इट. सो देन आई गॉट अ चांस टू होस्ट इट, बिकॉज आई
तो मम्मी पापा से आपने झूठ बोला
कि मैं कुछ कर रही थी. तो आई थिंक 6 महीने तो मैंने ऐसे ही झूठ बोला था उनसे. तो मुझे 500 रुपए मिले, फिर किसी ने मुझे देखा उधर एंड दे फाउंड कि नहीं ये तो अच्छा बोलती है, तो इसको एक दो
बंदी में दम है।
इस इंडस्ट्री में फ्रेशर्स को सब चाहते हैं कि थोड़ा चांस मिले, यहाँ पे थोड़ा काम
That's
दे
a
दे.
really very
It's
good
good
news.
thing.
Yeah. Of
So
course,
we
of course.
always come across many events, but we have a very less number of anchors who could do it.
अच्छा।
तो उसमें फिर मुझे जब बोला गया एंकरिंग के लिए, then they paid me good.
हाँ।
They paid me around 2,000 rupees, 500 से 2,000 एक साथ. फिर I got कि अगर मुझे इतने पैसे मिल रहे हैं for an hour or so, I should not be doing and going and talking something rubbish. I should research on things.
You should value that.
Yeah, I should value that amount. I
Yes.
should get some research on what is event, and I was very, very, very nervous that time. मुझे स्टेज पे जाने से क्या एक हो जाता था, मैं मतलब पसीना पसीना हो जाती थी उस टाइम में. तो I had to overcome on that nervousness, on working on myself.
So how did you overcome? I think this will be really helpful for the students who are preparing for becoming very good speakers.
So you have to work on yourself. Yourself means on yourself, strictly. Mirror में अपने आप से बात करना हो, और बुक्स पढ़ना हो, वो पढ़ के कुछ अपने साथ. एंड यू नो व्हाट, एक्टिंग का मुझे बहुत स्टार्टिंग से शौक था. बचपन से शौक था, कुछ ना कुछ हीरोइन बनना है, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ मैं करती रहती थी. तो जब मैंने एंकरिंग स्टार्ट किया, उसके 2-4 महीने के बाद ही मुझे फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट मिल गया था एक्टिंग का. तो आई ऑल्सो एक्टेड. सो सम वे एक्टिंग के जितने भी प्रोसीजर्स और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते हैं, और उसका जैसे प्रोसेस होता है टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प मी टू लर्न हाउ टू डू एंकरिंग वेल.
ओके.
तो उसमें मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग करना और डायलॉग्स बोलना, अपने आप से बात
एक्टिंग और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग साइमल्टेनियसली इंप्रूव होता है.
और उसमें एक वाइटल चीज है कॉन्फिडेंस. दैट्स ऑल यू वांट. दोनों में कॉन्फिडेंस
अल्टीमेटली बंदे में कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. राइट.
एंड देन मैं बहुत टाइम में यू हैव टू बी अगेन वेरी स्पिरिचुअल. यू हैव टू कीप दैट फेथ ऑन योरसेल्फ. अभी क्या होता है ना, स्पिरिचुअलिटी बहुत कम ही है. मतलब देयर इज अ वेरी, व्हाट वी कैन से इज, एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग वो क्या कनेक्शन होता है जो बनने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, लेकिन वंस यू गेट दैट फीलिंग इनसाइड ऑफ यू, वी कैन गेट एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर यू विश. तो वो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया था. तो इनिशियली वो स्टार्टिंग करते
स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग स्पिरिचुअल.
आई एम माय ओन बेस्ट फ्रेंड. मैं खुद से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, खुद के साथ ज्यादा टाइम बिताती हूँ. मेरे बहुत कम फ्रेंड्स हैं. आई हैव माय स्कूल फ्रेंड्स हु आर लाइक बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. वी टॉक, वी गॉसिप, वी डू मजा मस्ती, हम सब करते हैं. लेकिन मैं जो क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ वो अपने आप से करती हूँ. मैं कहीं पार्टी करने बाहर नहीं जाती हूँ. फिल्म जाती हूँ अकेले जाती हूँ, शॉपिंग जाती हूँ अकेले, आज जाती थी. शादी के बाद तो
शादी होगी,
हस्बैंड के साथ ज्यादा टाइम जाती हूँ. लेकिन दैट टाइम पीपल यूज्ड टू थिंक कि अकेले कहाँ जाती है, अकेले कुछ सब करती है. बट व्हेन यू आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन योर ओन स्किन, उसके बाद आप पार्टी में जाओ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ मजे करो. इट्स ऑल से
स्पिरिचुअलिटी. मैं जितना जानता हूँ स्पिरिचुअलिटी में ऐसा है कि अगर आप अपने में खुश रहना सीख लिए तो आप कभी भी आप दुखी नहीं होगे, है ना? ऐसा है ना. एंड
वो बुढ़ापा मुझे बहुत जल्दी आ गया था शायद. लाइफ के जो चंद मीनिंग्स जो होते हैं ना, व्हाट यू कॉल लाइफ एंड व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ लाइफ, आई फील बहुत कम टाइम में, और ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड व्हेन आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग, और मेंटली आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग because my parents were not that understanding, because उनको लग नहीं रहा था कि ये इंडस्ट्री मुझे पे भी कर सकता है, मैं इसमें इनकम भी कर पा सकती हूँ, मेरा फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो सकता है. then I had to make them understand कि no, I can do something. So that was a very crucial stage of my initial stage, were very crucial and very I would say struggling. I used to cry a lot. Then again मैं अपने आप को संभालती थी, नहीं ये करना है. हर टाइम में स्टेज के ऊपर जाने से पहले आई हैव अ बैक एंड थॉट, मैं कर पाऊंगी, यस आई कैन डू इट, यस आई कैन डू इट. आई यूज्ड टू से एंड आई
मोटिवेशन, पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस.
यस. एंड देन उसके बाद ना मैंने कभी पीछे मुड़ के ही नहीं देखा. आई फील आफ्टर 2017 या फिर 2016 के बाद 2019 तक मुझे याद ही नहीं था मैं क्या कर रही थी उस टाइम. आई वाज working. I had hosted many television shows back then. Those were very famous. Like one of your colleague, when she told mentioning like she had
Acha.
seen me once one of a show I was hosting for Tarang. That was a college show. I used to
Yeah.
mentor or like
Is it still available on YouTube?
still available on.
I'll go and watch it.
Everyone watched it and the show name was Freshers. हम कॉलेजेस में जाते थे,
Interesting.
उसमें फ्रेशर्स जो फर्स्ट ईयर के बंदे थे और लड़कियां थे उनके साथ हम बातचीत करते थे. वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
Great.
आई यूज्ड टू प्ले गेम्स एंड उनके जो अंदर जो डर होता था ना, द बेसिक आइडिया वाज to make them chill pill, like you know,
To make them comfortable and smart
enough.
Mhm.
And उनका जो पहले साल में जो डर होता था and they don't come out and they don't
Okay.
speak with the सीनियर्स और
अच्छा.
डर के बारे वो अपना जो टैलेंट वो दिखा नहीं सकते, को करिकुलम में पार्टिसिपेट करते नहीं है.
Right, right,
So
right.
through that show we could make them understand कि this is so valuable for you.
Wonderful program. I mean, is it still continuing?
No, I left it after like 2018.
That program, is it still going on?
No, it's not.
It's not. Okay.
2 years back it stopped, but again there are some other seasons which are coming
Okay,
in.
this is really interesting, and I
Yeah.
think it's
I
very
used
impactful also for
Impactful
for
also.
students.
I also hosted one entertainment show for ETV. That was the first beginning. Then the Fresher. Then I used to host for different musical shows for television. I also hosted reality shows for a couple of channels.
Acha.
You know, for kids, for traditional dance shows, for ladies, for women's. There are Sampurna
Multiple age
Nachman shows, yeah, for Siddharth TV, one of a leading channel in Orissa. I also host for them. So these are the things. So as an anchor, you have so many
Wide
opportunities.
scope is there.
Wild scopes are there.
Wonderful.
But you have to start. And you know, I come across lot many new freshers. Right now they are like 3 years experienced into this industry. When I had a scope, I had a chance to get on board some anchors. I took some in hockey also. Hockey जब World Cup हुआ था, तो I took 3-4 anchors there. Right now, I'm so happy seeing them flourishing on their own career.
Great.
They're hosting one of an anchor. She's continuously hosting sports events.
So good to hear that you have supported the youngsters.
Not only me, there are other anchors also. So हमारे पास, and there is a very healthy competition going in. Like if as an anchor I get 5-6 queries, max to max I can host 2 events in a day.
Yeah.
Right? In a day show,
The rest all you pass on to your.
it pass on to different anchors.
Great.
So
great.
every
That should be.
anchor, every
Yes.
other anchor, they also want that ये anchor खाली ना बैठे आज घर, वो भी काम करे.
Yeah.
So it's just you have to be ready.
So the support system you guys have created, a community support, which we say.
Yes. We are trying to make it in a proper way, in a professional way, so that no anchor they should suffer during payments or during onboarding on any channel or on any shows. So we are, and we had a word on that topic with several other anchors also, and we are coming up. There are other event management associations also, IMA.
Achha.
So they have a channel like a national channel, also Orissa channel. They also help us in very other way. So yeah, that's how we are operating, and I would say you have lot many feathers, to get in. Just you have to jump into the world first.
Wonderful. So what I've understood is that for a freelancer in a place like Bhubaneswar, 3,000 to 5,000 is the minimum amount which.
Yeah, now it's basic. Start
Basic.
you can do is 2,000, 3,000.
And it can go up to
any number.
any number.
Any number as per your expertise.
And average, what is the average remuneration, especially in our
I
city?
can say it's 12, 13 to 12 to 15k.
12 to 15k. Okay.
As an average, if
And-
you have an experience about 3 to 4 years
3 to
or
4
5
years. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. And when you step out of Odisha and go to some metropolitan cities like
Yeah.
Bombay, Delhi, and all, so there I think it might be around 25 to 30k.
It's different. It's
Different.
again different because वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि they pay us the remuneration, like the transportation, the fooding, the hotel and everything. So the cost comes in, but again the professional charges become same.
Same.
उसमें कुछ changes नहीं होता
उसमें
है.
कुछ changes नहीं होता.
No, become the same. But again the
The
other
food, travel, and the accommodation
they
is
provide.
taken care of.
Yeah.
Okay.
They take care of. So again corporate jobs are उसमें
So is there
गलती
any
की गुंजाइश नहीं है.
scope of full-time job in anchoring, or like majorly people are doing freelancing.
नो, इट्स फुल टाइम जॉब के लिए आपको किसी एक इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के अंदर रहना पड़ेगा.
Acha, okay.
Again,
So there, what is the salary package like? What is the range?
अगेन दैट डिफर्स.
Okay.
दैट डिफर्स.
in Bhubaneswar,
वो तो बहुत लोअर हो जाता है. वो एक
बहुत.
जॉब के जैसे आपको
20-30,000.
20,000 or 50,000, something like that. But as an anchor, what I would suggest, firstly, get any knowledge. Some
Is there any specific course?
Yeah, what I was saying, firstly, what I did when I started, I did my, after, as I said, I'm a civil engineer.
Yes.
But then मैंने काम करना शुरू कर लिया था. So later on I thought कि मुझे basics ही पता नहीं. I'm just doing it. It's just practically on field I'm working. But basic knowledge के लिए कि film making क्या होता है, reporting क्या होता है, what is the call. There are several mediums are there. Media जिसका vertical है. संविधान में एक होता है ना कि मीडिया का एक स्तर बहुत अलग है. So you have to understand the ethics beyond public speaking or being into a media thing. तो उसमें मैंने अपना जो मास्टर्स है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन जो है, वो उसमें मैंने मास्टर्स किया मास कम्युनिकेशन में.
Okay.
So वो मैंने बीजेबी से किया. So
BJP Autonomous College in Bhubaneswar.
Yes, Autonomous College. That was a self-financed course.
Okay.
I invested my 2 years. I got out from there. मैं
Mass communication.
मास कम्युनिकेशन में.
Okay.
तो उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ. So if you're doing freelancing also, you have a backup that you can be a television anchor, you can be a reporter, you can be into many things. Like media house में बहुत सारी चीजें होते हैं जो आप कर सकते हो. Because आपको पढ़ाई में बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे भी आप उसमें सीख लेते हो मीडिया में. तो मास कम्युनिकेशन अगर आप करते हो तो यू हैव अ बेटर बैकअप चांस कि अगर आपको एंकरिंग फुल टाइम करना है तो आप उसको ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. फिर फ्रीलांस अगर करना चाहे तो उसको आप बाद में कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने अपना रखा
पहले जॉब करके.
हाँ, पहले आप फ्रीलांसिंग करके कुछ टाइम बाद यू कैन गेट इनटू अ जॉब और गेट इनटू अ मीडिया हाउस.
Okay.
यू कैन डू आल्सो आरजिंग आप कर सकते हो. इफ यू कैन स्पीक वेल, आप बिहाइंड द कैमरा थ्रू योर वॉइस यू कैन स्प्रेड द मैजिक. सो वो मेरा बहुत बड़ा मन है कि मैं वो करूं. लेकिन अगेन
Wish you all the best.
वो जॉब के अंडर आ जाता है. यू आर फुली.
अच्छा, there is no freelancing in RJ.
वो आप नहीं कर सकते हो. फ्रीलांसिंग मैंने ट्राई किया हुआ है लेकिन उसमें यू आर एम्पैनल्ड इनटू द कंपनी एज एन एम्प्लॉय. या उसमें आपका शोज होते हैं, उसमें टास्क होते हैं, बीच में किसी गेस्ट को बुलाओ, उसके साथ चिट चैट करो, वो ऑन एयर बाद में जाते हैं. तो यू हैव टू बी देयर till 9 to 5
minimum
job.
8-9 hours job, like a normal full-time job.
Sure.
Right? Okay, now coming to acting. Okay, as I said, today we'll be discussing on two aspects. Anchoring, we have understood the basics. Coming to acting, you must be knowing that Ankita ma'am has worked in very famous Odia movies like Chhaya and Gangs of Puri. Okay,
Yeah, that's a web series.
that's a web series. Yes. So, how was your experience doing these movies?
See, people are getting.
How unique was your experience?
It is very unique.
Okay.
Again, I will not say it's me who is saying it unique. सबका आपका भी experience life journey बहुत
I'll
unique
definitely
होगा.
watch.
Yeah. So.
I've seen the trailer of both.
You have seen it?
Yes, yes, yes.
It is brutal. It is. It is surprising. It
Yes,
is,
yes.
filled with.
Thrilling,
जिनको
excitement.
हाँ, जिनको फाइटिंग्स पसंद है, जिनको थोड़ा थ्रिल पसंद है लाइफ में, उनको बहुत मजा
Gangs of Puri is a very
it's a
suspense kind of movie.
suspense kind of a movie जिसमें बहुत सारी चीजें मिक्स्ड है. राइट. सो ये वाला एक्चुअली जो स्टोरी है,
Action भी involved होगा.
एक्शन भी है. सो ये वाला जो स्टोरी है, इट इज एक्चुअली द एरा इन 90s. Era of 90s we have shown here. People are thinking that they are seeing me for the very first time as an actress through GOP1 or GOP2. But I have acted in 4 other films also before. The first film was मेरा जो था वो 2017 में था.
Okay.
The second film मेरा था in 2019. थर्ड फिल्म मेरा था इन 2021 और 2 ड्यूरिंग दैट मोमेंट ओनली. और 2021 में मैंने जीओपी भी शूट किया था. फिर उसके बाद फिर GOP2, GOP2 तो अभी हुआ। तो एंड वन शॉर्ट फिल्म वाज आल्सो आई शॉट ड्यूरिंग कोविड, and during that also many music videos, many
अच्छा, album songs and all you have done,
songs,
right?
everything. मैंने कुछ नेशनल एड्स भी किया है, लाइक
Oh.
फॉर सम ब्रांड्स।
अच्छा,
तो इन सब के बीच में इट वाज जस्ट लाइक आई वाज डूइंग सो मच, आई वाज सो मच इन्वॉल्वड इनटू एंकरिंग, सो एवरीवन न्यू, एंड एंकरिंग ने मुझे इतना ज्यादा फेम दिया था,
okay.
तो फिल्म का जो पहचान था वो कहीं पे ऐसे गुम हो गया
अच्छा,
till the moment COVID came, and I trained myself to multitask,
okay.
you know. तो मैंने उस टाइम में सब कुछ ट्राई किया है। तो उस टाइम में मैंने GOP1 किया, तो GOP1 रिलीज हुआ, फिर दे फाउंड आउट ओके हु इज शी, देन थोड़ा रिसर्च हुआ, फिर GOP2 जब आया, उस टाइम में एक्चुअली दे गॉट टू नो मी वेरी पर्सनली, एंड जो PR टीम है, लाइक दे डिड गुड जॉब, लाइक उसमें अभी तो ये पूरा छाया हुआ है, मतलब माय कैरेक्टर नेम वाज संध्या,
Sandhya, in GOP.
in GOP,
Okay.
and मेरा
You were
अंकिता
there
तो
in
और एक
both.
नाम,
You were there in both the parts.
the parts,
Okay.
and मेरा और एक नाम अगर किसी से पूछे वो संध्या ही बोलेगा।
अच्छा,
अंकित,
संध्या.
संध्या,
Sandhya.
and whenever I'm posting something, like they are like, you know, ODI
Sandhya.
भाउजो भाउजो, संध्या
Sure.
भाउजो, like
Sandhya Babu, you have become popular.
yeah,
That name has become popular.
that name has become very popular, and people from not only from Puri they are watching, people from across the world they are watching the
Wow.
series, and they are
That's a
in the
wonderful
love.
news for our Odia people.
Yeah, true.
That's a proud moment for all of us.
And that's a true story, that's authentic story, and all the actors, not only me, every other actor who were involved into the project, they got the fame. There is nothing like this main character and we should celebrate for her. It is every minor and a small character, even they also got celebrated during the success party. So we are very happy, and Odia industry going in the very right way.
I am personally very happy for Odia industry, and last 3 to 4 years I have started watching, especially after Babusan's what is that movie's name? Daman.
Daman, yes.
So
yes.
I think there has been a huge revolution in the Hollywood industry, and
True.
now suddenly people have again started watching Odia movies
True.
rather
True.
than going for the others.
This was a revolutionary time, no?
Yes.
After COVID only, people, they didn't go to any cinema halls.
Yes.
And cinema halls सारे टर्न हो गए मंडप्स में, शादी वाले मंडप में.
Yeah.
If you would say रबी टॉकीज में एक चौक में एक
हाँ, हाँ.
बहुत बड़ा
वो बंद
hall
हो गया
था.
शायद.
वो बंद हो गया. वो GOP के टाइम में that was still on. वहां पे हमने शूट किया था. Before some days when I was traveling by then, I saw वो तो एक शादी के वेडिंग मंडप में कन्वर्ट हो गया है, because they are not getting any businesses, they are not getting footfalls. How would they survive? उसका भाड़ा इतना रहता है, you would not get anything, because in a film industry also, those people who are working, they are also human beings, they are also surviving.
Very true. Very
They should also work, they should also get paid. And the producer who is producing the movie, अगर उसमें कोई फिल्म देखने नहीं आ रहे हैं, अगर टिकट नहीं बिक रहे हैं, the producer will do. वो तो रातों रात भिखारी बन जाएगा, तो वो कैसे वैसे इकोसिस्टम चलेगा नहीं. मतलब इकोसिस्टम इन एनिमल ग्राफ also कैसे चलता है कि there is a grass, the goat is eating the grass, and the goat को किसी
बचपन में पढ़े थे.
That's a cycle, right?
Exactly.
In their own way also, every industry has their own cycle. So
Yes.
there is a saturation point, of course. I would say there is a saturation point when industry people, they didn't understand about the creativity, and they kept on posting, like copy pasting every other.
That's why probably we at one point of time, before I think COVID and all.
COVID, yeah.
I mean, I remember before that I had watched my last movie in the year 2004 or 5. And
Odia film.
Odia film. 15-20 years, it was a huge gap.
Went like that.
Absolutely. We were focused more majorly on these Telugu or Bollywood movies.
True. And during COVID, what people did is they watched many films. Like घर पे बैठ के वो मोबाइल में सब देख लिए.
True.
सिनेमा हॉल का एक्सेस था नहीं. So कहीं ना कहीं उनको सारे उड़िया मूवीज किसी ना किसी तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़ मूवी, मराठी फिल्म से ही इंस्पायर्ड मिले. Even every frame to frame, dialogue to dialogue, that was copy and pasted. And that's why they didn't like it. And a movie lover, those people who love movies, they are authentic. They want to
Yes.
watch authentic movies. We
Yes.
have also great people in our
They
state,
want newness also.
Yes.
Creativity must be there. Right?
and we want the creativity. We also have great minds, great historians जिनके लाइफ पे बायोपिक्स बन सकते हैं. वो
Yes.
उसका डिमांड आया और आई फील वो अभी बन रहे हैं. एंड वी आर इन अ वेरी रेवोल्यूशनरी फेज
Yes.
where we would say ओडिया इंडस्ट्री का 100 year would be celebrated in a bigger way.
Great, great, great. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So next, last question before we move on to the rapid fire round. Regarding acting, okay. To become a good actor, it is important to have those basic acting skills.
Yeah.
Apart from acting skills, is there any other skill required to succeed in your acting profession?
एक्टिंग में तो एक एक्टर बनता नहीं है. मतलब यू कैन नॉट एंकर को आप बना सकते हो, एक्टर को नहीं आप बना सकते. एक्टर बॉर्न एक्टर होता है. कोई कोई तो अगर उनको थोड़ा गाइडेंस चाहिए वो गाइडेंस मिल सकता है. लाइक यू कैन जॉइन एनी थिएटर और यू कैन वॉच मूवीज, यू कैन डेपिक्ट दैट इन योर ओन स्पेस. आप बचपन से बड़े बच्चे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे बहुत अच्छा अच्छा एक्टिंग करते हैं. मतलब कुछ भी आपको किसी का मिमिक्री करना आता है. दीज आर ऑल बॉर्न थिंग्स, राइट? बट if you want to get into a serious job like acting and acting, then you have to get into the serious things like, again, education is important. उसमें जैसे क्रिकेटर्स भी जिनको हिंदी और इंग्लिश बोला नहीं आता है वो प्योरली ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, राइट? फ्रॉम द प्रोफेशनल लाइक यू, help them, who help them for personality grooming and communication skills and everything. So you have to keep on investing on yourself. And you have to look good, you have to look fit. It's not like you have to presentable on camera.
Presentable.
और बाकी रहा कि बाकी all same, like as
and mindset, attitude भी होना चाहिए.
Mindset, attitude होना चाहिए. And you should have a proper, again, आजकल की इंडस्ट्री में you have to be technology friendly as well. Because आपको अपने आप को मार्केटिंग करना आना चाहिए.
Marketing skill is again another big skill.
अगेन इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर, आप किसी बड़े टीम को तो लेके उनको महीने महीने पे करके आप वो नहीं कर पाओगे. बिकॉज दैट्स अगर आपको पेमेंट नहीं मिला है अभी तक अच्छा, जो आपको एक्चुअली मुंह मांगी कीमत, तो आप मुंह मांगी कीमत किसी पीआर टीम को कैसे दे पाओगे? So that's when you have to learn the basic things. And there are several other factors like an actor can be an influencer, a creator, they can be a YouTuber, they can create good contents over all social medias, and those are absolutely free. And you can get onboarded there. So आप अपने आप को पैसे प्रिंट करने का मशीन बना लो. Like you can be monetized.
Right.
Anyone can give you an amount if you can monetize yourself. If you are sellable in an industry, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, और जो बिकता है वो बिकता हुआ होना चाहिए. मतलब
बिकने लायक होना चाहिए.
लायक होना चाहिए. That's the perfect word. So अगर आपको बिक नहीं सकते तो कोई भी आपको नहीं लेके कोई मार्केट में जाए, कोई आपको लेगा.
वो अपना पैसा क्यों इन्वेस्ट करेगा? Right?
So people will think in that way. Even 10 रुपए का हम चॉकलेट लेते हैं, उसका टेस्ट अगर अच्छा नहीं है, उसका मार्केटिंग अच्छा नहीं है, वो ब्रांड किसको पता नहीं है, वो क्यों लेंगे कोई? तो
करेक्ट.
मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, योर पीआर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Again, yeah, these are all factors.
Yes. Okay, all right. Now we'll quickly move on to the rapid fire round.
Okay.
Before we start the rapid fire round, let me tell you that I'll be shooting questions very quickly, rapidly.
You shoot?
Yeah. Questions.
Yeah.
And I would request you to respond the questions within few seconds without taking much of time.
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Yeah, whatever comes to your mind at first, go with the flow.
Yeah,
right? Can we start?
Sure.
All right, let's start our rapid fire round. The first question goes here: thriller or romantic movie?
Thriller.
Thriller.
शादी वाला.
All right. Odia or Hindi movie?
I would say both.
No, one you have to choose.
Okay, then Odia.
Odia. Okay.
ये जो मातृभाषा.
Okay. Acting or anchoring?
Anchoring.
Anchoring. Yeah. All right. Next, OTT or big screen cinema?
Big screen cinema, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
And last but not the least, say a famous dialogue from your movie GOP in Odia.
In Odia, okay.
With proper acting.
Proper acting. Okay.
Yes.
So there are many actually. People love the way Sandhya is depicting anything. उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है तो वो कुछ अपने स्टाइल में
अच्छा,
बोलेगी,
हाँ।
कुछ उसको मनवाना है किसी से वो अपने
तो
स्टाइल में
गुस्सा वाला दिखाइए.
गुस्सा वाला ठीक है. So this is dedicated for all the women actually. There is a
Okay.
very inspirational
Mm-hmm.
dialogue I would say.
चलिए.
When
Lights, camera, action.
so Shiva is right here, sitting by my side, and
Mhm.
I'm keeping on like he's
Mhm.
complaining over okay, why I got married, why I didn't wait for him.
Okay.
So this is what I'm saying is
Hmm.
ତମକୁ ଲାଗୁଛି ଖାଲି ଝିଅମାନେ ବାହାନା ହିଁ କରି ଜାଣନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କଥା କଣ ଜାଣିଛ ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କର ଜନ୍ମ ଖାଲି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଖୁସି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେବେଳେ ବାପା ମା କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତ କେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରେମିକ This is all very
Wow. Wonderful, wonderful. Fantastic, fantastic. That was so natural. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Ankita, for coming. And I mean, it was really insightful as well as very, very engaging and entertaining.
I hope you enjoyed it because
Yes.
I wanted it to be little entertaining as well as informative.
Yeah, that was there. That blend was there. I enjoyed personally, and I'm sure that our viewers have enjoyed. And so, yeah, that's all from our end. If you really found this interesting and insightful, please do share this in your network. That's all, and we'll be coming up with more such episodes with more interesting personalities. Thank you so very much. This is Arvinda signing off from Lifecraft Training Academy, Crafting Lives.